Welcome to another episode of the Money Wheel Podcast. The journey to wealth starts here with your host, Don Shade.
Hello, my friend and future millionaire. Welcome to this episode of the Money Wheel. My name is Kris. So today I wanted to join you and talk a little bit about how to do research online, especially with Google. Now, being able to know what to search for on Google is one of the skills that I find the most useful, because it allows me to, search up problems that I have to find troubleshooting solutions, things like that. And, one of the things that I say is if I can't find it in 5 minutes, that it's too hard to find. So with that being said, I just want to talk about real quick, just going over a few things with Google searches, and then we'll move into how to apply that directly to your product. I was with a client the other day, and he was doing some research for an affiliate product that he was affiliating for. And now he doesn't have a whole lot of computer skills, which is fine. I mean, we can help anybody with anything. And he was saying he was, Google searching something about bonuses. The product that he was marketing helped people build pages for bonuses, and he really didn't understand what kind of bonuses were available. Now, bonuses are a great thing to offer along with your product, and we're definitely going to cover that in a future episode. But for now, he just wanted to educate himself on some different bonuses. So what he did was typed in, bonus offers. That's what they were called in the video that he watched. That's what, the sales page was calling it. But when you Google bonus offers, that's not, the things that came up weren't exactly helpful. So I told him, you need to add a few words to it. He's trying to do marketing. So we did bonus offers marketing. And the whole first page was all about banks and the different offers that banks have to try to get people in the door. So again, that wasn't helpful either. So when you're searching terms like this, especially broad terms like bonus offer, that's something that is an inside term, but it's also something that you can see as a customer. Hey, here's the bonus offer when you buy this thing. So bonus offer is a term that's going to come up everywhere. So what you need to do there is just be very, very specific about what you're doing. Our client was doing affiliate marketing. He was looking for bonus offers. I told him to search those two things together. Bonus offers, affiliate marketing. And when you do that, now you actually start getting some useful results. So if you are having a hard time finding some things online, just remember that try to search the two terms together. And by a term, I mean, it could be a couple of different words, whatever it is you're trying to search for. But try to include the niche that it's in as well. And that will usually help you get better results. Now, this part of the episode may not be for you. You might not have any troubles doing Google searches. I know a lot of younger people have been using Google all their lives, so they're definitely used to it. But if this is something that's troubling you or you've been stuck on it, hopefully that was able to help. So now how to use that in your marketing research. So what you want to do is Google search your niche and try to find a product that's similar to yours. Are you doing a course on how to mow lawns? Well, then search up how to mow lawns course and see what comes up. Anything like that, whatever it is. And then what you do is go to their page and take a look at it. Now, when you're doing this kind of research, you want to say, what the price is, but also what's included in the course. Is it multiple videos? Is there a coaching call involved? Kind of what's the breakdown with how they're offering their information? And the other thing to look for too is what bonuses are they offering? Do they have coaching calls involved with it? Do they offer additional courses and supplemental material? Different things like that. Now, when you're going through a funnel like that, especially if it's a long form where there's a video, but maybe a lot of copywriting, there's a lot of text on the page, and you might have to scroll through pages and pages to get through the whole thing. All that stuff is good information, because if they're selling a course similar to yours and they're talking to the same people, you could definitely grab some of their messaging and use it for your own. Now, there's a tool that I like to use. It's called Go Full Page. It's a Chrome extension, and what it'll do is when you go to the sales page, you click the button, it'll actually scroll through the entire page and take a screenshot of it. So that way you can save it and just kind of scroll through and see what see what kind of copy that they're using, what kind of images they have, the whole design and layout, and you can kind of use that for your own research. Now, when you're doing that, don't steal directly from them. Always make sure that if you take any copy, that you put your spin on it. You never want to steal anything word for word. But now that you've got their sales page, depending on the investment involved, it might be a good idea to purchase the product, because this will get you two different things. First, you'll have access to the product to see how it's designed, see the points that they're making, that you can grab inspiration from. But also, it'll take you through the rest of their funnel. So far, you've only seen the sales page because that's as far as you can get without making a purchase. But now you can see what's their upsell. Are they offering additional coaching with it? Are they offering a VIP package? What do those look like? You can choose to deny the upsell, then and see, okay, is there a downsell involved? Are they offering, a transcription or an audio version of the course? Things like that. So by purchasing the course, you can actually see the rest of the funnel, and you can use that tool, Go Full Page, to capture the rest of their funnel, to see what their designs are, and to do your own market research that way. So that's everything I've got for today on the Money Wheel, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for listening to the Money Wheel Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and like the podcast. For everything that was talked about in today's amazing show, go to moneywheelpodcast.com and get today's show notes, past episodes, and most importantly, you can connect with Don Shade on all his social media platforms. Again, at moneywheelpodcast.com. If you are just looking to email Don, you can email him at don@moneywheelpodcast.com. For a list of all our tools we use in our business, you can go to moneywheelpodcast.com/resources. Again, thank you for listening to today's podcast, and see you in our next episode of the Money Wheel Podcast.